The Institute developed the paper in conjunction with the Board-Based Business Reporting Advisory Panel, who are all passionate about enhancing corporate reporting. The panel really felt that it was time to stop talking about this kind of thing. It's been talked about for many years now, and there's not been much change in the business community, and therefore we decided it was time to actually put out a paper to actually sort of start discussion and actually stimulate some interest and awareness in this area. We looked at the sort of literature that's out there on this topic and also the reports that have been prepared. We also discussed with some experts who've been looking and researching into KPI reporting for a number of years now, as well as talking to members of the key industries that we looked at. We looked at industries that were really key to the Australian market, being financial services and the extractive industries. We've also put out a generic office-based service company section of KPIs, which can be tailored to a number of different businesses, depending on the industry. The intention is that the companies should sort of have a look at these KPIs and work with their industry groups to develop them and agree on the key KPIs for that industry sector so that there's a consensus. This will enable the investors to actually have some comparison between companies within the same industry, which at the moment it's not really possible to do with everyone reporting different indicators. Once there's that kind of consensus and an agreed list, businesses can then report individually, sort of using that list. So rather than creating a tick box culture where everyone just reports exactly the same things, this way it enables businesses to reflect their individual business drivers, but at the same time you've got some standardisation which enables some comparisons. We've included a pro forma that just shows how the KPIs can be reported within existing reporting. In early 2009, the Institute's re-releasing its Enhancing Not-for-Profit Reporting paper, and that will now encompass broad-based business reporting and KPIs for the not-for-profit sector. We're also looking at potentially developing broad-based business reporting for the public sector. Another area we're looking at is developing KPIs for the energy sector, and we're working with the industry body in that area to come up with the KPIs and the measurement so that we can release that in early 2009. The third area that we're looking at is the reporting frameworks, and there are two papers coming out internationally at the end of this year from the International Federation of Accountants. They've got a sustainability framework coming out, and the Prince of Wales Accounting for Sustainability project in the UK also has a connected reporting framework. And so once those come out, we're going to look at how we can develop them and modify them for use for broad-based business reporting.